Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Docker engine on Ubuntu VPS step by step clearly. Before you begin, ensure you have appropriate permissions to perform updates on your Ubuntu VPS. Open a terminal window on your Ubuntu VPS. Start by checking the current version of Docker engine installed. Run the command docker version to view the version details. Next, update the package database to ensure you have the latest details. Execute the command sudo apt-get update. Now, check if a newer version of Docker is available. Run apt-cache policy dockerce to see the available versions. If a newer version is listed, you can proceed with the update. Use the command sudo apt-get install dockerce to install the latest version. This will automatically upgrade the Docker engine if an existing version is installed. Once the installation finishes, verify the upgrade. Check the version again by running docker version. You should now see the latest version reflected in the output. After confirming the update, it's good practice to restart the Docker service. Run the command sudo system to restart Docker. Finally, check the status of the Docker service to ensure it's running smoothly. Execute sudo system status docker to see the running status. You have now successfully updated your Docker engine on your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.